Good morning, Greg. All right, there she is. Your 637 sitting on my 48 flathead. Testing and adjustment went easy on this one. I'm very happy with it. No leaks, no runs, no errors. Everything's looking good. All right, so without further ado, let's fire it up. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. As I said, no leaks, no runs, no errors. Nice and dry. Okay. Well, let's go ahead and look at some numbers. All right. I got the idle RPM at about 680. Looking good. Fuel pressure is about 2.75. Look at that vacuum. 23. Excellent. And there's my dwell. Just a shade over 42, which is good. All right, let's pull her through. Little girl. Alrighty. I think you'll be happy. Thanks.